Hello! Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, or gabi po sa inyong lahat. Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements, mga madam and sir, kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. So, in today's video, alamin natin kung ano ang magiging kapalaran ng ating Sagittarius sa buwan ng September 2023. Okay, paalala lang, this is a general reading, hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Okay, bago ako magsisimula, Sagittarius, gusto ko lang i-announce na nagbago ang ating setup, no? Okay, gusto ko lang magpa-sound to set up an intention and to clear any negative energies na meron ngayon sa paligid ko. Ayan, every time nagre-ring ako ng papatunog ako nito, parang lalakas ako. Okay, ayan. So, Sagittarius, okay, sa mga interesado sa aking mga items, this is 950, okay, all-in-one powerful bracelet with crystals, okay, i-maximize niya, tawag nito, ang power ng ating napaka-powerful nitong bracelet nito kasi i-amplify niya with crystals ang ating prayer ng all-in-one bracelet. Okay? You have the pink opal, you have the blue apatite. Okay, you have the sunstone, you have the fire agate, you have lapis lazuli, you have milky quartz, amethyst. Iisa na lang ang ating strawberry quartz. Okay? You have aquamarine, purple rhodonite, and this one is reserved para sa akin. Actually, yan para sa akin. Okay, 950 each. Sa may gusto, message lang kayo. Mom, I want the gold-plated crystal bracelet, all-in-one, powerful. Meron din tayong all-in-one, powerful necklace. Ding! Ang bato! Diba? Gusto mo maging Darna? Ayan. Ang ganda nito mga madam. Para kang paresan mo ng para kang social na social ang dating mo rito. Okay, sa ating mga madam dyan, this is 1,050 pesos. Okay, sa may gusto. Green fluorite yan. Oh, bato na bato yan mga madam. Okay? Ayan. Made in Philippines. Okay. Eto, mga Hamsa bracelet. You have Hamsa with evil eye. Okay, Hamsa big hand with gold-plated. Madaming kulay. Available yan sa Shopee. This is 700 pesos. May kasamang ritual, of course, lahat ng mga items ko. Okay, magpapagames ako sa first commentor, sa unang makakapagbigay ng code neto. Okay, sa ating evil eye, Sagittarius. Sa ating evil eye, ang ganda ng ating evil eye. So, gustong bumili na ito, okay, this is 700 pesos. Pero kung wala kang pambili, may chance kang manalo. Okay, lahat ng mga reading ko, mamimigay ako ng mga items starting this month up to forever. Okay? So, subscribe na kayo and mag-like. Okay? Ayan. Mine Evil Eye Sagittarius ang code. Mine Evil Eye Sagittarius. Okay, kahit hindi ka Sagittarius, if you are cross-watchers, you can claim this bracelet free. Ang babayaran nyo lang is shipping fee. More or less 100 pesos lang naman. Okay, ang ganda nito. Ayun no. Ang ganda pag naisuot na. Okay? Ayan, 700 sa mga gustong bumili. Alright. Okay, Sagittarius, ano ang kapalaran mo sa September? Spirit guides and angels, ano ang magiging kapalaran ng ating Sagittarius? By the way, bukas, paalala lang, mag-upload ako ng prayer para sa ating mga members. Okay? May prayer tayo bukas sa ating mga members. Okay. Tagal na tayo hindi nagpe-pray. Okay. Prayer tayo. Bukas Sunday. Okay, Sagittarius, you have the Queen of Pentacles. First week of September, King of Swords. Five of Pentacles. Second week of September, Knight of Cups. You have the Strength card. You have the World. Third week of September, you have the Knight of Wands, Nine of Wands, and the Queen of Wands. Last week, September, you have the Four of Wands, Six of Swords, and the Five of Swords. Overall theme of the month, Sagittarius, Seven of Wands. There are a lot of struggles, daming pinoproblema, but a lot of challenges, pero hindi ka pa rin umuurong or gumigive up. Okay? A lot of you will face many challenges this September, Sagittarius. Madaming problemang kinakaharap or kakaharapin ang ating mga Sagittarius. But don't worry because God is with you. Okay? You can do this. Okay? There could be struggle. Let's see kung paano yan mag-fit sa inyong reading. Okay. Queen of Pentacles. First week of September, Sagittarius, feeling mo parang kapos na kapos kayo sa pera. Yung iba magkakasakit, so ingat. There is this feeling of being left out in the cold. Some of you will feel angry, irritable, kasi especially around home, dahil sa pagkain, sa budget, dahil sa loob ng pamamahay. So, iwasang makipag-away sa family members, mairitable kayo sa mga nagkakasakit, tama ba? Or, ano bang narinig ko? Spare guys. Bulong mo. Mag-aaway, may pag-aaway mangyayari dahil sa sino mag-aalaga sa may sakit. Parang ganon. Parang yung iba sa readers, feeling mo, ikaw na lang lagi. Ako na lang lagi nag-aalaga. Ako na lang. Wala bang ibang, parang may irritable ka ganon. Yung iba, very specific na. But, this is you think things through from all perspective. Hinahinay lang sa mga sasabihin mo towards your family members, towards your mother, towards your siblings, kapatid, towards your children, towards your partner, husband, or wife. Okay? Especially ngayon, September, October, November, dami talaga magkakasakit. Mag-aaway siguro kayo sa gastusin, sa budget, kasi, ayan. But something here na parang, don't be, like, mafe-feel mo na life is hard. Talagang ganyan naman. Ang buhay ay weather lang. Ang buhay ay parang gulong. Minsan nasa taas, minsan nasa baba. Okay? Hindi always happy, hindi always masaya. The good thing is, kung sinong nandun. I feel like you will be taken care of, Sagittarius, if ever ikaw yung nagkasakit. Because you have the Queen of Pentacles. Someone is going to protect you. Someone is still going to be very kind towards you. Okay? Ayan. Some of you will feel angry towards family members or something like that. So be careful. Mag-ingat sa mga words na lalabas sa bibig mo around first week of September. Kasi mukhang this is your main energy Magiging irritable ka. Feeling mo ang dami mong kaaway. Lagi kang mainit ang ulo. Lagi kang nakakita ng kaaway. Parang ganon. And you're on fire. Fire sign ka pa man din, Sagittarius. So, ayan. Some of you will feel insecurity this month. So, kayo? Gumawa ka ng self-check. Why do I feel this way? Tanungin nyo sa sarili ko. Why do I feel insecure? Bakit nga ba? You know what, guys, mga madam and sir, once we feel insecure within ourselves and towards others, mag-create tayo ng dark energies. So, let's stop doing that. Once mag-pop up yung insecurities. Change your mindset. Change your mindset. Okay? Change your mindset. Change. Kasi, mangyayari pag ang tao insecure, siloso, jealousy. Pag sobrang selos, sobrang inggit, anong nangyayari? Nakakaisip ka ng hindi maganda. Nagiging bitter ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Nakakasakit ka ng damdamin, nakakapagsabi ka, nakakapagbitaw ka ng mga salita na mamaya later, maghihingi ka rin ng sorry kay God. Sorry God, nasabi ko tong ganito. Okay? So, practice discipline. Idisiplina natin ang mga sarili natin. Okay? Disiplinahin natin. Alright. Second week of September, you have the Knight of Cups. Mga madam, yung mga words na lumalabas sa akin, galing yan sa mga gabay ko ha. Yung iba nakakaisip, paano yan nasabi ni Ma'am Angel? Napaka ano niya no, para siyang matured magsalita, parang napaka-deep. Actually, kung makita niyo in person, parang ang bata-bata ko, na hindi niyo akalain na para daw akong high school lang. Totoo, makita niyo yung iba sa picture ko na nga lang, mukha kong bata. How much in person, dami nagsasabi na para akong high school. Hindi nga nila ako makilala eh. Maliit pa man din ako. But anyways, what I'm saying is, take my words seriously kasi yan, galing yan sa mga spirit guides ko. Okay. Sagittarius. I feel like you're heading towards something big. Second week of September, some of you are planning to go, like there is traveling international or the domestic, but the world is overseas. Okay? You are following your heart. You are expressing some sort of, I feel like for some of you Sagittarius, if you are dealing with a fam, mga long distance relationship, kadalasan mga afam, di ba? Nasa ibang bansa, ang mga boyfriend nila. Ayan. I think magkikita kayo or magpaparamdam siya this second week of September. Hingi ng sorry sa ginawa niya sa'yo and ayan na, magkakaroon ng, it's either mag-i-end ang relationship or ma-develop, magle-level up. It would take to another, the relationship would, step up, parang ganon. Magle-level up ang inyong connection. Okay? Yeah. Now, third week of September, you have the Knight of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Queen of Wands. A lot of wands, Sagittarius. Oh my goodness. You are on fire. Third week of September. Anong nangyari? Yeah, because of this. Your overall theme of the month kasi. Feeling mo ang dami mong kaaway. Yeah, you have this Nine of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo makaka-experience ng kapraningan. Mag-ingat, okay? Huwag magpadalos-dalos kasi itong Knight of Wands, minsan sila yung ibang agresibo sila. Okay, huwag magpadalos-dalos sa damdamin, lalo na pag nagagalit ka, Sagittarius. Baka mamaya, pagsisihan mo ang mga mangyayari. Okay, huwag laging mainit ang ulo, huwag praning. Kung galit na galit ka, let's see. Yeah, aggressive. A lot of you, Sagittarius, magiging aggressive third week of September, so mag-ingat. Yeah, you'll experience some sort of jealousy around people third week of September. So tandaan nyo, di naman maiwasan yan sa tao. Talaga man, karamihan sa tao may inggit sa kapwa. Why? Because you feel, a lot of you, again, with the Seven of Wands, you feel very insecure about something. maybe the achievement of someone else in your family, in your neighborhood, kapitbahay, co-worker. You feel insecure about something. You have to admit, because the cards don't lie. Okay? The cards don't lie. Yung iba na naman dyan magsabi, ba't ako maiinggit? Mag-ingat sa mga sinasabi ha, kasi baka mamaya kakainin nyo din yan. Hindi mangyayari sa akin kasi never akong mainggit. Huwag magsalita ng patapos. Again, ang buhay ay umiikot lang, parang gulong. Okay? Ang sinasabi ng baraha, hindi nagsisinungaling. So, ibig sabihin, yung mga gabay ko, sinungaling. Yung mga spirit guides, archangels, sinungaling. Wow! Sinong pinagsasabihan mo ng sinungaling? Sino ba mga may ibang zodiac sign na ipokrita magsalita, ipokrito. Di yan mangyayari sa akin. Uy, wag kang magsalita. Pag sinabi ng cards, mamamatay ka, sabihin mo ba, di yan mangyayari sa akin, hindi ako mamamatay. Bakit? Immortal ka? Yung mga ganon. Example lang yan, ha? But anyways, what I'm saying is, you will feel very insecure around a lot for the whole month of September. Some of you will feel irritable, praning, galit na galit, insecure, jealous, inggit, demanding. And some of you feel very insecure talaga. Ooh, some of you will be cruel towards others. Sagittarius, mag-ingat kayo, okay? Believe in karma. But if you are a good Sagittarius, then maybe ikaw yung pinag-uusapan ng mga ibang zodiac signs, okay? Ikaw yung Sagittarius, yung iba sa inyo dyan, okay? Cross-watchers na mga Sagittarius, kayo magko-confirm na ganito sila minsan. Alright? Last week of September, you have the 4 of Wands, the 6 of Swords, and the 5 of Swords. Okay, huwag kayong magalit sa akin because I'm just a messenger. A messenger of these cards and gabay. Okay? Truth hurts. Totoo yan. Masakit ang katotohanan. Sino bang hindi masasaktan? Masakit talaga. So, deal with it. Deal with the hurt. Deal with the pain. Because that's life. Okay? Ayan. 4 of Wands, 6 of Swords, and 5 of Swords. Yeah. I think a lot of you are insecure regarding your home situation, home life, lifestyle at home, your home living situations. And you're trying to disconnect from your family members. There's something about family members or within your family sector na parang nag-away-away. Maybe there's a sibling and you're trying to magkaroon ng gap, something. I think, alam ko nang nangyayari. For a lot of you, this has something to do with family members. May inggit sa kapatid, sa success ng kapatid, sa lifestyle ng family members, relatives, kamag-anak, pinsan, parang ganun. Relatives. And you're trying to forget that. You're trying to feel, and some of you feel defeated. You feel defeated na nagkaroon ng parang gap within family. Okay? So, yeah, napaka-sad yung iba, no? That's why, kasi dito pa lang 5 of Pentacles, diba sabi ko? Okay? So, mag-ingat. Don't advise ng spirit guides. Kaya pala nagpapaano to kanina. Talagang galing ng gabay ko. Talaga. Makita nyo, Sagittarius, previous readings, kayo lang ang ginawang ko ng bell na to. Kaya pala sinabi na akin ng aking gabay na para maalis yung mga negative, toxic energies sa reading nito. Okay? But don't worry, nangyayari talaga mga ganyan, makaka-experience talaga tayo ng mga toxic, negative energies. So, ang advice sa'yo ng spirit guides, kuha tayo ng advice. Okay, what's the advice? para maiwasan. Oh my goodness. Talaga naman. Talaga may mga gulong pangyayari at ang mangyayari within your family, away sa kapatid, relatives, or something like that. Very toxic and magulo ang buhay, karamihan sa Sagittarius. Okay? May pagwawatak, may pag-ending, may may gulo, may away. Okay? Advice. Ooh, okay. Focus on yourself. Focus on yourself. Okay, focus. Okay. Umiwas sa mga don't focus on the negative. Focus on the positive. May surprise na ibibigay sa iyo yung universe, hindi mo na nakikita. Okay, kasi nagpo-focus ka dito sa baba. Sa negative. Tingnan mo, may inaabot sa iyo yung universe and guardian angels, may sinasabi, pero hindi mo pinapakinggan sa Sagittarius kasi nagpo-focus ka sa galit, sa inggit, sa jealousy, sa insecurity, and whatever, mga negative, sure ba dyan. Okay, advice. Get more information. Okay? Iwas sa mga gossip. Iwas na lang sa kwento-kwento usapan. Kasi dyan mag-start eh. Dyan mag-start yung away na yan. Usually sa mga chismis, sa mga balita na mali-mali. Iba-iba ang mga version ng balita na narinig ko. Iba-iba ang kwento. O, dyan nag-aaway. Dyan nagsimula ang gulo with this tower. Okay? So, ayan. There's something hidden. You don't know. May hindi ka alam. So, try to get more information about a certain situation na magkukos ng kaguluhan because maybe ano yung na-receive mo in information mali. Parang may pinag-away-away kayo or something like that. You have to focus on your goals na lang, Sagittarius. Yan ang advice. Focus on yourself. Focus on your goals and dreams. Focus on your manifestation. There's something that you don't know. May tinatago sa'yo na information. Okay? May tinatago sa'yo na information. There's something that you need to know. May hindi ka alam. May hindi ka alam, kaya nangyayari to. Kaya nafe-feel insecure ka, nagagalit, may away, dahil may hindi ka pa alam eh. There's something you need to know. And you will find out maybe later. I just don't know when. So, ayan ang advice. Grabe. Sagittarius, I'll see you next time. Maraming salamat. God bless. Always pray. Kaya na mabago tong kapalaran na to, yan lang po. Prayer is a very powerful tool. Again, I'll send some very positive energy. Iwasan natin to. Kung meron kang sage or incense or something like that, or this one, okay, smudge stick, ang tawag nito, ayan, magpaano ka para maalis yung mga negative toxic energy. Mamaya magaganito ako because ang bigat talaga ng reading ninyo kanina pa lang pag-umsa. But now, na naganyan ako, magaan na. Okay, I'll see you next time. God bless. More power. Ingat po, Sagittarius. Paalam!